These are our main vacuums, the Centaur SL-3s. Nice compact vacuum. They've got like a 2.5 gallon capacity, which is pretty good. Just amazing for fine dust. I find them far superior to the festival vacuums. I actually got rid of our festival vacuums. The first one of these I bought 19 years ago, and I've never done anything to it other than replace the handle, the switch, and the latches, which totaled about, I don't know, $30, I think, in parts, just because it fell off a scaffold or down a flight of stairs or whatever. These things are bomb-proof. You will not break them. You'll never break this. This is all metal. It's in here right now. So these cloth filter bags that come with them, you just take them off and bang them out outside. And then they've got the paper bags, which are about 90 cents each, and they hold quite a bit of drywall dust. But again, these fine filters stay so clean. I just love it. So very low maintenance. I've replaced one of those fine filters in 19 years. And every now and then I blow them out, but it's pretty rare. Maybe once every couple of years or so. What else do I have to say about these? Oh yeah, they're not designed for power tools, but every time I get one, I just take it apart and rewire it so that I have an extra wire. I just tap into the wire that was for the power brush and make an adapter for our Merca sanders. The Centaur will provide you with an actual plug that plugs into that you can have a plug sticking out of. So that would be the much easier solution if you're not handy. Just plug it in, boom, done. I guess I'm a little OCD that way, so I just rewire mine, and then that way I know that they're kind of like, nothing's ever gonna fall out or get lost, but really simple to do. Not sure if these vacuums have a warranty, don't really care. Know that I don't need one. So 19 years I've had one of those vacuums. Pretty darn impressive. And it had just as good suction as my brand new festival one, so. The collars from the Centaur floor machines fit perfectly into the Merca hoses, which makes adapting really simple. This is Centaur Floor Machines Falcon 5 vacuum. This is their bigger vacuum. It takes garbage bags, which keeps things really cost effective and simple. This is what we use to remove all the textured ceilings. So throughout the house, we've been flattening all these ceilings. And this vacuum just runs non-stop. So that's what it looks like inside. That's the second bag we're going through right now. And so that's a silk cloth filter bag in there. And then it goes to a fine dust filter bag, and then to the HEPA filter. So this vacuum is about 3 years old. I probably put about 30 half garbage bags of drywall dust through it, and I've never cleaned this. So that's the most I've ever cleaned it, just right there. So stays pretty darn clean. Great machine, Falcon 5 Centaur.